You got my hand. Smack cut my hand. I don't like this. What is up, guys? Shia said here, coming at you with another video. Have you been having trouble making thumbnails? Well, in this video you're gonna be learning how to make thumbnails like these. And if you're just like kind of person that just don't like making thumbnails off of Photoshop, then this is a good place for you, because you can learn how to make thumbnails like these, and that ain't that, just like a pro. It only takes 7 minutes. Anyways, guys, with that being said, let's get straight into this video. So guys, in this video I'm basically going to show you guys how I do it, and then you can apply it to your YouTube channel. So the first thing that I do is pull up a video. So like I just pull up a video that I have already like recorded. So like basically let me show you an example real quick. So that's basically the video. So basically it's just gonna be me just making all these poses just to see which one I like best, and basically that's what you need to look for, and just like find the best thing that suits your video. Like if it's about your video, like that pose right there, that might be about my video. Yeah, that one is it. That one I like this one, I like this one. So what we're gonna do is take a screenshot, which I do right here. All I do is just take a screenshot, and if you don't know how to take a screenshot with your if you don't have this little screenshot thingy-majig that's built into your editing software, all you can do is go on this thing called Snippet. So you can go on Snippet tool, and basically what you can do is just draw it from there and just make it, and after that just basically snip it, and then you can have like the, oh, I made it, it's a little dark over here, but it's alright. Anyway, so basically once you've done that, all you need to do is just save it or something like that. So like, oh, that one was good. Okay, I'll send this one too. Okay, so let's see what else. A lot of poses. Okay, so I think I like this one. Yeah, this one, I like that one. And out. So what I'm gonna do is just send it. All right, as you can see right there, we have our little thingy-majig. These are the pictures. So what we're gonna do is go on it and then just basically download all these pictures. Save image. Okay, so once we have done that good jazz, basically guys, I recommend you guys use this application. I really love it. I always use it all the time when I'm making thumbnails, and this is a really good application. So let's go on here and just type in thumbnail maker. If I can spell thumbnail maker. So basically what you need to do is install this thing. If you have all that good jazz, then let's open the application. And guys, this is where I make my thumbnails. So guys, let's go and make a thumbnail. So we're gonna click, so we basically want to click on the thumbnail maker. What we need to do now is get into the magic. So what we need to do is choose a background. Which one shall we use? I'm gonna go on and use like let's go with this one, right? That one looks good. Okay, then once we have done that good jazz, all we need to do now is basically thumbnail it, like make something happen. Alright, so guys, now we're gonna go onto the pictures. So let's go into the pictures, and we have 3 pictures, and so I'm gonna go and crop this and get this picture actually. So basically what we need to do is just draw a line. Basically, look at that, right? I mean, that's insane. Let's make that. So once you have done this, okay, once you have done this, you can either you can just direct cut, or you can just smart cut. So basically if we do direct cut, that's how it's gonna look like. But if we do smart cut, so what I'm gonna do is do portrait, and basically what it's gonna do is remove all the green and all that, and then just leaves the person, because it knows that there's a person there. So basically that is it. And it tried to remove the chair, but it couldn't. It removed like right down here, it removed half of it. But now that is a human's job to do. So what I want to do is just go in here and just remove the chair, and let's actually remove that right now. Delete the chair. So did I mess up? Okay, I think it's good. Alrighty, so there it is. The chair, it is gone. The chair is gone. Bye bye chair, you were never here. Alrighty, then you have got your complete little picture with a PNG background. So, alright, smart cut. What you gonna do? Oh no, what you gonna do? Oh, you cut my leg, you got my hand. Smack cut my hand. I don't like this. All right, we can actually restore that by going to the eraser, whatever, and then go to restore, and we can just restore our hand back, so we can have our hand back. What else? This smart eraser, erase. Okay, everything is good. I just don't like the green on top. There we go. Yeah, that's good. Alright, do a little green. Okay. Whoa, that is so cool. That is so cool. Alright. Oh, you know what? Something just popped up in my head. I think I'm just gonna. You know what? I'm just gonna leave this one. I'm gonna delete this one. Yeah. See, that's the thing about making it on thumbnails. You know, like sometimes when a better image pops up in your head, you're like, oh, okay. I guess I'm okay. So now I gotta take a picture of this, the application. So what I'm gonna do is go to Apple. And then just take a picture of this. So, and then crop it up, and then crop it up. You can do this. You can do this over the internet if you want, but I don't like pulling pictures off the internet because that's just a lot of work. You gotta search things up and everything. Okay. Cut the edges. Cut the edges. Cut all the edges. Okay, cool. Okay, now we got our application. Let's go. Put that there, like make it like slightly smaller, and boom. So we gotta put some text right here. So I don't know what to put yet, but okay. Make thumbnail. It only takes. Put in like it only takes 7 minutes. Only takes 7 minutes. Okay, 7 minutes. Yeah. So we gotta make it right though. Seven. Guys, about minutes. Minutes. Alright, there you go. And then just put the minutes there, and I'm gonna also make it like. Oh god, they changed that 7 to like a number or whatever. Alright, let's put. Nope, that doesn't work. Minecraft, Pokemon. Okay, that one was good. Yeah, that one's good. Yeah, I like it. I like it. There, yeah, that's good, right? I don't know. Okay, and I just put the. It only takes down in this. Okay. I think that's good, right? Yeah. And let's make this thing actually bigger, you know, because why not? There. How about that? Yeah, I guess. No. Let's put it back. Alright, I think that's good, right? Anyways, guys, that'll be the end of the video, and I hope y'all enjoyed it. And if you did, please leave a like, and if you didn't, please leave a dislike. Thank you again for watching this video. TSG Said is signing off.